1:58 in the morning. Vlog is live. Podcast is scheduled for tomorrow morning. Now I need to sleep for work. I'm holding on to my phone's flashlight and shining it on the wall to give a bit of light. Sorry. Yeah, I need to sleep now.
So we're going to do an unboxing of this small package that arrived from Miracle.
Liz, stop playing with the light.
3, 2, 1.
Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun.
Yeah.
We done. Right now the time is 1:20 in the morning, and we just finished recording our podcast.
We
for
haven't
this
eaten
week
or slept in 10 hours.
This particular episode we talk about loyalty, something that's very close to our hearts. I'm very happy with our podcast. I don't remember what I said. I always forget what I said until I go back and re-listen to it. I'm like,
Oh yeah!
just what I said.
Right.
This is again behind the scenes of what we do for the podcast.
I hope.
Listen and download an episode so you can have a listen.
Have a listen
Check it out
tomorrow.
See if you like it or not.
Maybe. Hopefully.
We're a bit different. We're a bit different in what we talk about. I don't feel tired. I think I just feel
Satisfied.
I feel satisfied. Yes, that's a good way to put it.
You're welcome.
I was going to go to sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep. I want to watch a movie. Maybe.
Are we going to sleep now?
Yeah, we're gonna go to NLA, but we can't go to NLA anymore.
Oh, thank goodness. Gonna do work to work?
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, great.
This is our podcast. Check out this Rode mic.
Yo.
This is all I want for Christmas for anyone that wants to buy me a Christmas present.
Oh, sure.
I want another one of these with the stand.
Can someone get
Rode mic, XLR cable,
stand?
Vonix. Is this Vonix as well?
Yep.
Vonix stand. Those guys. Hey, if it's just wanna be, just make it known.
Yeah, that's true.
This is Hedge.
Hog.
Liz rectum.
I dropped one leaf. One leaf. Then you get called a murderer.
Yeah, as well.
So this is Hedge, and he turns up. He's our most loyal fan. He's in every podcast.
Don't say that Naomi will murder you.
Podcast, not the
No, she's our loyal fan for Hero in the Mirror. But this is Hedge, and he's our most loyal fan for our podcast.
Yeah.
He just sits here, and he observes, and he absorbs. Get lost.
Why? I want to hold the hedgehog.
He doesn't want you to hold him.
Why not?
Because you broke his leaf.
It was an accident.
Liz.
It just fell out.
Shush. That's what I have to deal with on a daily. Anyways.
in the morning.
Stop it.
Can we not hug you right now, please?
Oh my gosh, I want to punch her in the head. Anyways, this is my baby head. This is my baby Hedge. No. No.
Miracle.
Stop it, bro.
Ow.
This is all going live. Hero in the Mirror. Well, I guess salmon was integrated back into the budget this week. So we're here to buy salmon. Shout out to Mom. Hold down stuff, please. Hello.
Hi.
Do you need help holding this? Do you need help? And that's basically all we came for. Now we have to go and I have to get back to work. I took a lot of things today.
Don't worry about it.
Goes fast.
Hello, camera. Good morning, everyone.
Remember, you're not allowed to double up of a name.
I know you drink iced coffee. Has anyone even lived overseas for 5 years? No, I hate red.
Damn, no one's got a middle name.
Yes.
So do you, but I need to find someone who has a S10. I'm in a Galaxy. It's a Galaxy.
No one, just me.
Oh, that sounds like double.
Yeah, we'll brush it through. I'm just standing in a puddle of water.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy.
You guys, I forgot to show you my technique. Obviously my side finished first because I found the technique. If you need your hair coiled ever, hit me up. $100 an hour. She's getting the gel right now. She still hasn't finished her side. And so I'm doing the last process. The last part of the process. Liz! Come on! You guys, I forgot to show you the technique I used. It was amazing technique. So exposed. So can you open this because my hands are slippery? Because of the product. Yeah. My side looks way more poppin' than Liz's.
Of course.
Come on, Liz. Here's the loser.
Oh, hello. Oh. I do my head. Prince. A little bit. I mean, just get a little bit. Is the hair wet? Some gel. This is really thin gel.
Wanna rip the curl?
Bring it up. Roll it up in your hands. And then you scratch. But it's just a small section.
Okay, I'll do you a little bit. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. A little bit, a section, tiny.
Don't roll your eyes. I can see it.
Okay, I'll help.
Thank you.
I thought you didn't cut your hair.
I do.
Oh,
I cut it in half.
Morning, Keith. Did you know if you buy new eligible Amy Home car
does
insurance,
they look even?
you can save
I don't know. I can't see.
policy
Yeah.
until November 29th?
Okay.
Does
I
your
think that looks
insurance cover
even.
this? Amy?
I just gave you more.
Sis.
By my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Take it after.
This is stage 2 of the drying process.
It's not completely dry. That's why we still got some crunchy bits. But as soon as it's fully dry, I'll show you the end result. And look, this is what it's starting. The curls are starting to set.
Where are we going?
We're going to Tramside. I'm having my Christmas party
With who?
with my old job.
Your old colleagues.
Yeah, so it's the last time we sit at the table.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final result. No! No! Elizabeth, take your hand off.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, give us a twist.
Oh.
Turn around. Oh, Liz, move back a bit. Now turn around.
Oh.
Yeah, Oh, you look like Goldilocks.
Oh.
Look at this. It's a little bit fluffy, but that's okay. We found our technique. Thank you very much for taking us on your hair journey. Bye-bye now.
Bye.
Yeah, it's too hard.
It's an easy air song because it's only one.
Hello everyone. We just finished church. It's lunchtime. Does you look like musty?
Oh, this is what day 2 curls look like, everyone. But we don't know if something is missing. Mum's giving us the warning now.
Just take it each time, yeah? But some skills.
Thank you very much for tuning in.
And fresh test.
No, shush. I'm trying to record my outro video.
Oh well.
Ouch. Almost got a cramp.
Whoa!
Oh.
You funny as well.
This is my niece's unicorn.
Turn around slowly. Yo.
What was I gonna say? Thank you very much for watching to the end of this vlog. Thank you for 182 subscribers strong. We are chasing 200. Appreciate you all. Thank you for all your love.
Let's go.
All your likes, all your comments, all your private messages, your DMs, and for your view. I truly appreciate it. And tune in for next week's vlog. I was gonna tell you a little secret about Christmas, but then it won't be a secret, so it's okay. Too many people here. And our merch for our podcast gets released soon, so we're just waiting for all of that to be made and sent to us. But yeah, please like, share, subscribe down below, comment, say hello, follow me on Instagram and also our podcast, Nights of the Round No.11, or at me, MIRACULOUS. And yeah, love you all. Bye bye now. I really like this unicorn.